All right, so we're going to play around with the Albert site a little bit here. One of the things I'm going to need you to do is log on to your Google account. You'll see it in the upper right-hand corner if you manage to log in correctly, right over here. And once you've logged in, you can go ahead and click on Classes, and it's going to ask you for a join code. It'll be right underneath your name. So just click on Classes, join a class. Like I'm already set up here. But if you're joining a class for the first time, it's going to ask you for an enroll code. And the enroll code I'm going to put up in just a second here. I'll also have it on, it's this one right here. I'll also have it on School Loop, so you can just copy and paste it in. You can see some people have already added the class. Now, we're not going to do the entire Albert series. It's just a couple of videos. I just want to try it and see if this works. So once you're in, click on Escapes, and it's going to give you a practice test. It is timed. It does have a due date, kind of same like always, 11:30. Once you're ready, just click View, and it'll take you to the assessment. Just make sure it gets completed by 11:30 p.m. This is also timed though, so this is not like the video one where you get to try it multiple times. You only get one try at this one, and you won't know if you got the right answers until tomorrow when I show you. So I don't expect you to get 100%. It's fine, because some questions we haven't covered, but I also don't expect you to get a 0 either. So the minimum cutoff is going to be 50%. So once you get there, you'll see, again, the due date again, how many questions it has, and kind of a list of things it's going to ask you over on the left-hand side, right over here. And just when you're set, just click Get Started, and you can go ahead and start navigating the quiz. This one's relatively short. Like I said, it's only 6 questions, so it shouldn't take you that long. There's only 8 minutes to finish it, though. You'll see there's a timer in the upper right-hand corner. And one of the other cool things is it's going to let you go through different questions. So it kind of tells you, whether it's easy or difficult, gives you that same elimination tool. But if you want to jump to another question, like a medium question, just click on like seasonal carbon dioxide and it'll take you there. You've probably seen some of these questions already, which is fine. Like, you can click here, go back to the first one in any order you want. Doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to pick some random answers. So I'm not going to get a perfect score. I'm just going to just select some random answers so you can see what'll happen. And again, I've already been in the test for about 2 minutes or so. Even if you close down your browser, though, the time is still going. So I'm just going to go ahead and answer some of these really quickly, and I'll come back. All right, so here's me coming back after about a minute worth of answering them. Don't submit the assignment until you've clicked Submit Answer, because you'll think you're done, but you might not be. Over in the corner, it'll show your progress. If it says 0 out of 6, it means that you haven't clicked Submit Answer. You have to click that when you're ready to submit your answer. Once you do that, you can't change it, though. So you cannot change it. And then when you're done, just click Submit, and you're all done. And we'll see what your score is. We'll see tomorrow what your score is. Now, on my end, or actually on your end, you can see how many questions you answered, your percent accuracy. It won't tell you what you got right or wrong. And it'll give you like an overall score. Don't pay attention to the point value. Really what I'm concerned about is you got 50% or better on the 6 questions that I gave you. And again, on my end, I'll be able to see like a full breakdown. You can click on things like, the AP exam and see, okay, how many did I get easy? How many did I get from the moderate questions? How many did you get from difficult? I answered like 1 right, 1 wrong. The analytics and practice will show you like what data we can get from that. But right now you can't see anything until tomorrow anyways. It'll show you how much time you spent and some other stuff. The practice is just taking you back to your screen. You can't retake it though. So like you can see seasons here. It's the 6 questions you took. You can't redo that. All right, so go ahead and give that a try, and we'll see how you do.